same way, but only difference is that you do not own me. I could just tell by the way that you're driving it. I pull up in that car just like a stone. Yeah.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Marzel the Kid. Well, it's not Marzel the Kid no more, it's Marzel Kappa. Like, so yeah, what's good? I know I've been gone for a while, but today I ain't got the shades on. I'm looking kind of rough. But today I'm bringing y'all a banger. Today, as y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to DIY dye your jeans. So people be saying I'm creative, so come to y'all. I need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. We at 200 subscribers. Let's get to 300, 400, and 500. Yeah, y'all get the rest. But yeah, keep subscribing, liking, commenting, sharing. Follow me on Instagram at Marzel Kappa. And yeah, we going up. Finna start dropping 2 videos a week. First and foremost, you need your 3 things. Well, 4 things. Alright, first, you need you some dishwasher. You're gonna need some jeans, of course. Alright, third, you're gonna need your big bucket. You're gonna need it needs to be spacious. So this this a little bucket I used to have. This just was sitting there. Alright. And the most important thing you need is the dye. And we finna get into the steps. I showed y'all what y'all need. Now I'm finna show y'all how to get your bucket and go fill it up with water. So yeah. What y'all doing? I said y'all gotta fill up the bucket with water. What y'all doing? But I told y'all come with me. Come on. If y'all wanna see me fill up the water, come on before we fight. I got 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Matter of fact, when I snap my fingers, if y'all not out there with me, we gonna have some serious problems. Side, you wanna hook your little water hose up. That was already hooked up. Then I got my bucket right here. Look over there, bro. Look, they wanna interrupt my video. Look, big ass dog. But anyway, back to what I was saying. You wanna get your water hose, get this. It's best to do it outside. Enjoy the nature, bro. You don't wanna be stuck up in the house all day. Like, bro, look at the sky. It feels good out here. But anyway, back to what I was saying. You wanna just, bro, my dumb ass didn't even cut on the water. Hold on, let me. All right, so don't be like me. You gotta cut on your water hose. You gotta cut it on, yeah, you see? And then you wanna pick it up, and then spray it. You wanna fill it up as much as you can. Ignore my toes, y'all. Ignore my toes. I know they really cute, bro. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all when it's filled all the way up. So yeah, y'all see that little heart, bro? So yeah, I filled it up. You ain't wanna fill it up too much. You can see, as y'all saw me fill it up halfway. But yeah, we're gonna get to this next step. So yeah, this the next step off camera. So I put the little dishwasher liquid in there. I don't think y'all need to see that. But yeah, anyway, you want to get this red dye, then just open that motherfucker. Oh, that's the top on there. I thought I was gonna do something cool, but nah. Alright, as y'all can see, I easily opened this. But yeah, I don't want to be boring and just pour it straight in there, so I'm just gonna do a little slow-mo.
I've been thinking about your bands, been forever. You're the flame to my fire, hot like desert. You my main one and only, can't be severed. Let it battle with my demons in another. We will see no evil in the killer. Baby, please tell me I can make it better. Baby, please tell me I can make it better. Baby, please tell me I can make it better.
Alright, obviously I ain't edited that yet, but it did not look cool to me. I thought it was gonna look cool. It might look cool on slow-mo, but I don't know. But yeah, I'm about to let this sit for a little bit, then I'm gonna put the pants in the water. See, I got my pants. These mud really, like, I don't really like denim, if y'all know me. But yeah, alright, finna put them in there. You wanna put them in there slowly. You wanna put them in there slow for a reason. Alright, so. Y'all see that stuff I do for y'all. I really was supposed to wear gloves, but look at it. And yeah, off camera for a little bit, I'm just gonna mush it around and stuff so it can take the color. And yeah, y'all will see whenever there's some progress on the jeans. Alright, so this the next day, as y'all can see. Got on something different. Somehow, look real quick. See, like I said, well, I ain't tell y'all, but they not red, they turn purple. But yeah, I'm gonna take these out the water. I'm gonna take them out the water and wring them out. Then I'm gonna throw them in the dryer, and then I'm gonna show y'all the next step. Fun part, I'm finna pour this stuff out. This how they look for right now. They done out the dryer. They look alright. They a little purplish, reddish. Got a little tint on or not. But yeah, this how they look. This not the final product because I'm finna do something to them. In the next clip you gonna see. So yeah. Alright. Yeah. Don't get on my phone. I know y'all gonna try to rush me. But yeah, the pan's done. I think that really look kind of good. I know I could do a little better, but the time that I got right now, I don't think I'm gonna do all that right now. So I'm just gonna put the little fit on, put the pants on, and then I'm gonna show y'all a clip. So the next clip y'all see, y'all gonna see how the pants came out after I did all the little changes and stuff to it. I ain't got no fade, bro. But yeah, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. More content coming on the way. And yeah, let's get into it.
You know my homie, you do not know. Got a bitch on me, she is get moving. I get the guap, nigga, you know. I got a Glock, it got a stick, it got a mop, like a custodian. I got the sauce, you could just soak in it. I got the sweet aromatic with dope in it. My plane is so wet, it's so clean, put some soap in it. I went in Gucci, and I'm closing it. I went in Louis, and I'm closing it. You went in Prada, and you stole from me.
Okay, bye.